Hi, nice to see you again. Welcome to JoyFarm. Today you will see the amazing peanut harvest and see how delicious peanut butter is made. Let's get started. Peanuts are typically sown during the moderate temperatures of spring. On dry land, farmers use agricultural machinery to deeply till the soil, removing weeds and stones, making the ground soft. You can see the machine automatically planting peanut seeds at fixed intervals. In the U.S., farmers harvest over 2.5 million tons of peanuts every year. Approximately 150 days later, peanuts are ready to be harvested. Let's take some time to enjoy this wonderful journey of peanut harvesting. Peanut harvesting mainly relies on specialized machinery. These machines pull the peanut plants from the ground, roots and all, greatly reducing the labor required by farmers. Once uprooted, the peanuts are placed in well-ventilated areas to dry. When the peanut seeds are perfectly dried, farmers use machines to remove the peanut shells and separate the seeds. As you can see, modern agriculture uses automated conveyors to transport vast amounts of peanuts. It's quite astonishing. The peanuts are then transported to factories where they are chopped into small pieces for further processing. After roasting, the peanuts are transferred to grinding machines, where they are turned into a fine peanut paste. The machines add salt and sugar, and the mixture is continuously cooked and stirred. Next, automatic fillers place the peanut butter into pre-cleaned and sterilized bottles or jars. Peanut butter is so aromatic and truly delicious. We can't help but express our gratitude to the farmers and all those who work hard to make it possible for us to enjoy such delicacies. Take care, my friends. See you in the next video.